Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I have in my shop 2012 Toyota Highlander. Super cool, but after finishing the test drive I found out it's kind of unicorn. I serviced fair amount of Highlanders of this generation and I never saw other engine than the V6. Of course, the owner's manual says there was an option for a 4-cylinder. I never opened hood and saw one. And this is what happened. Now on the test drive, I felt like, the starter sound, that sounds more like a 4-cylinder. But also on the test drive, the vehicle actually pulled and was driving to me like the other V6s. Pretty strong. Of course, I'm not flooring it. I just go for a short test drive on the bumpy road to listen for the people who hire me for the detail inspection, to listen for possible noises from struts or something. But after I opened the hood, finally, I had a first look on 1AR FE 4-cylinder engine in this relatively large SUV 2012 Toyota Highlander. And only after I saw it, I'm like, aha, well, maybe it felt a little bit weaker than those V6s, because that 1GRFE that pulls, correct? When you touch the throttle, it just goes. It's a really, really great engine. So let's go look on this. Especially I want to show you that beautiful piece of art, the exhaust manifold on this engine. I'm completely loving it. And excuse that noise, the garage door is going nuts. Here in Northern California it will be super windy today. I have no choice. If I want to film this for you, I cannot just do anything else. So look at this. They even didn't know how to put the heat shield on it, so they put a little sign here, oh, don't touch it. But look at these pipes. Look how smooth everything goes. And it's basically 2 and 2 becoming 1, and that's where the first upstream sensor is. I will bring the light. Look how nice it is. All the belts. I really dig this. And actually, I'm not shopping for SUV. But if I was, oh my goodness, with today's increasing prices of gas, which due to the latest development in politics will just keep going up and up, you can bet money on it. This actually seems to be the perfect used SUV. I never found in my life the perfect vehicle. It's always something missing. Either too small or too big. When it's too big, it has big engine, so it takes a lot of gas. This one seems to be like a really cool alternative for today's world. And this is 2012, 9 years old, but it's a modern vehicle. Just look on here on the side how easy the maintenance will be done. Very simple serpentine belt. You will never find here there's something missing, correct? That's missing the power steering reservoir. That's electric power steering. So very modern vehicle with this incredible 4-cylinder engine. So I just really quickly want to share this with you. I think this is incredible. I totally dig it. I never saw the Highlander with 4-cylinder here. Yeah, I wish one is for sale cheap. I will go and grab it right away. So thank you for watching and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Have a nice weekend, my friend.